Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this one, I'm going to show you guys how I personally like to connect my Shopify store to my TikTok socials. This would be a great guide if you wish to integrate TikTok to your Shopify store for your marketing and online store needs. So you want to start out on your Shopify dashboard. From there, on the search bar in the center top part of your screen, you want to search for TikTok. This will bring you to the Shopify App Store where you could install the Shopify add-on for TikTok itself. Make sure you download the correct add-on and the official one by TikTok. After going through the steps to install the application, you should see the application add-on on the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard. From there, go ahead and click on TikTok, and then click on Setup Now to start the setup process. From there, it'll lead you to a bunch of steps where you'll be able to set up all the details for implementing and integrating TikTok marketing to your Shopify e-store. Of course, make sure you choose TikTok for Business, put in your email, password, and your other information that it's asking for. Of course, make sure to connect your TikTok to your Shopify store. Now, once you set up the marketing for TikTok for Business, you want to move on and set up your TikTok Ads Manager. You're going to have to create a new account for this one. So go ahead and input all your details and then choose Sign Up and Connect when you wish to finalize your TikTok Ads Manager account. From there, you're going to choose data sharing options, which will allow you to track certain algorithms and other information for your social marketing needs. I personally like going with Enhanced, but you're free to choose whichever option you wish. And finally, you can also set up your company information so that anyone can contact you for business or company needs. Make sure to choose the correct information that you wish to set up, and when you're done, simply click on Confirm to finalize the setup process. Once you're done setting up all those details, you can now check your TikTok online dashboard. From here, you can see an overview of your TikTok channel in regards to your Shopify account. You can set up marketing, and set up a marketing catalog to really show off all your products and boost them to a wider audience. Simply allow Shopify to create an account, and you can start using the marketing catalog option on TikTok. Here, you're going to be choosing the proper location so TikTok knows where to boost your advertisements to. And as you can see, there are a ton other features that TikTok has integrated with your Shopify web store. Feel free to look through all of these TikTok marketing guides and data sharing and conversion ads if you wish to learn more on how to use TikTok for Shopify. But those are the basics to integrating TikTok to your Shopify e-commerce store. If you have any other questions regarding the setup details that I've detailed in this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much again for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one.